watching Mommy Did You Know? So as you know, we've been starting this family focus series, and I'm really excited about the topic for today. Basically, family focus is just a way that we can talk about the family, what you can do to make your family stronger, and just build more of a tight-knit unit. So today what we're going to talk about are the 5 love languages. It's something that a lot of people are familiar with, or some people might know a little bit about, but I just want to go a little bit in depth. So for those of you who don't know, the 5 love languages basically is touch. So it's someone that is always, like, oh yes, they love to be touched. Then we have time, which is they love quality time. Acts of service, which is you love when people do small acts that remind you that they are thinking of you. Then we also have gifts. So like my mom is gifts. She is always like, yes, I brought these for the children, and that's what makes her happy, is by giving gifts. And then we also have words of affirmation, which is actually what a lot of women like. And words of affirmation is basically just having nice words that kind of bring someone up and encourage them. So we have words of affirmation, we have touch, we have time, acts of service, and gifts. Those are really nice because it's very important to know what language that someone uses when it comes to love. And that's not only for your marriage, but it's also for your other relationships, whether it be your family members, your children. It's very important to know how they connect with you and how they want to receive and give love. Keep in mind that not everybody has the same love language for receiving and giving. So for example, my husband, he gives a lot of his time. He loves to give his time, and that's beautiful, because for me, I love to receive time. I'm a quality time type of person. However, my husband loves to receive acts of service. So with him, it's like nothing's better than, oh, I was thinking of you and I made you this meal, or I was thinking about you and I washed the car. So it's basically very important to understand how someone receives and how someone also gives love. Me, I'm a big receiver of quality time. I love quality time, but if you know anything about me, I'm a big words of affirmation person. And acts of service too, I love to go above and beyond, but I'm a big words of affirmation person. I love to encourage people, and that's just who I am. So what you see is those types of people really click in together. So it's very important to understand that not everybody's the same, not everybody expresses their love the same, not everybody receives the love the same. So I really hope that this family focus series is helping you to kind of understand your family and help build stronger relationships with them in the future. Please subscribe to my channel. I will be more than happy to have you join my YouTube family, and I look forward to having more content. Thank you very much.